Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So students, today we are going to learn and write table of 2. So class 1, you already learned 1 to 5 tables in prep class. So do you remember table of 2? Okay, today we recall table of 2. So students, open your math copies. Write date and day very neatly on the top of your page. As you know, we write date on the left side of the page and day on the right side of your page. Write C work very neatly. Then leave one block and write table of 2 in the center of your page. Then you leave one block, draw margin lines very neatly and start writing. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. It means 2 ones are 2. When you complete your one line, you must leave one block and start writing again. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14. Then moving towards next page, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Okay students, I think you are still confused where these numbers come from. So let me explain. So students, when you add 2 one times, it will give you 2. When you add 2 two times, it will give you 4. Look, when you add 2 two times, it means 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. When you add 2 three times, it will give you 6. It means 2 plus 2 plus 2. You are adding 2 three times. It will give you 6. When you add 2 four times, it will give you 8. It means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. You are adding 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will give you 8. When you add 2 5 times, it means you are adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will give you 10. Same as when you add 2 6 times, it will give you 12. When you add 2 7 times, it will give you 14. When you add 2 8 times, it will give you 16. When you add 2 9 times, it will give you 18. When you add 2 10 times, it will give you 20. Very well done. I think you understand your maths lecture very well. So students, it's your homework to write and learn table of 2 as a practice in your notebook. So stay safe. पढ़ते जाओ रुकना नहीं. Take care. Allah Hafiz.